Hello and welcome to episode 2, Saving Spiders. We're saving spiders. Some are probably going to ask why am I taking the rear chassis legs out?
Why are you taking the rear chassis legs out, Phil?
Because we're looking to have them reproduced.
Bit of R&D.
Bit of R&D. So we're gonna set some GTs, spiders slightly longer, but more or less they're all the same. So let's see what happens next.
Cool.
Handbrake fully operational now. These are all seized into the brackets, steel brackets. Nice. Everything was seized actually, but it's nice and loose down. It works perfect.
Phil's having problems.
Hold on, some arsehole, it's been here.
When it's a rainy day, there's only one thing for it. And that's to save some spiders.
Right, William.
You know what time it is.
It's
It's the first time on the ramp, and we're gonna see how good and solid the underneath is. So I'm a little bit nervous.
Gulp.
Let's have a look. I've got the screwdriver.
Chip, where you rushing to? Where are you rushing to?
Let's start right at the front.
Let's
Okay.
start right
I
at the
thought we
front.
were
Look
gonna
right
start
at the
back.
front.
Okay.
So
This is lovely.
tell the viewers to remind them, 1983 car
1983 car.
on a
Been
Y, yeah?
Been off the road since 99, so it's had more time off the road than on it.
Yeah.
And to be fair, the front looks very good. The bumper looks very good. These are always people jack up.
These are nice and solid.
There's a little bit of flakiness, but it's all rigid. Oh, I've got rust down my t-shirt. Ugh. Ugh.
Excuse me.
Inhaling some rust as well. This choking point's lovely. This is the one we're worried about though.
Hold on, let's show the viewers the good bits. So, this is original floors. It's had some little bit there, looks like, possibly.
And there's a little bit of surface corrosion,
And
but
then a seal.
no holes.
Still got the original seals, as you can see.
Turn the torch on.
Yeah, so original seals. And how do we know that? Because of this bit right there. Most spiders which have had the seals replaced don't have this.
There's a bush growing, some of it.
But overall, William, I would say this is not bad. Much better than my car.
Yeah.
You've done me like a kipper.
There is a little bit that we really need to look at though, which is,
This side is okay too.
well, up into this point.
Right, I'm coming to there. So again, even this side seems to have original seal, a little bit of crustiness, but I think we might be able to get away with not doing much until we get, yes, to this point, which is,
Oh gosh.
dear.
Oh gosh.
Looks like you might be replacing a floor pan here.
No. Oh well. Oh my goodness.
And it looks like you're gonna have to do some work on the inner seal,
That's pretty solid.
unfortunately.
Oh.
This is actually the
some carpet there.
worst part. So
Well, this is what we want to get tackling next. So the plan today for me is try, well, hopefully get as much as I can done today, but drop the rear axle, rear suspension out, look at the front suspension if I've got enough time, get the car on dollies, ready to start the welding process, aren't we, Phil?
yes, I'm gonna be cutting into the seal, just the outer seal to see what's going on. Do you like my Italian 1980s overalls? Large, but they look like extra large. We're gonna just cut the outer seal out and see what
Horrors lie beneath.
horrors like. kind of present.
All right, well,
Right, let's go for it. Come on.
We'll cut back there. Let's go.
William, let's cut this car open. Open it up like a tin of tuna.
Can of sardines.
Yeah, sardines. Right.
What devils lie within?
Oh. Right, let's keep going.
Keep going. That's the middle falling apart, but the inner, is the inner okay?
Jeez.
No. That's heavy, that.
Precious metal.
That's not what we were hoping for, really.
I knew it was coming. Yep. So, middle seal, knackered.
Like beauty. But what's the inner like?
We will see in a minute. There's been a weld, there's a weld patch behind here. So,
Shame. Well, at least mine's good.
Choose Jacob's Cream Crackers because they're fresher and crisper.
we'll have a look.
So, sit rep Phil. We're going to carry on cutting. I'm going to carry on removing my rear suspension.
Yeah,
And we'll reconvene when we know a little bit more.
let's go for it.
Let's go. So, I've disconnected everything now from the rear axle. And we haven't tested this out yet, but I've got my fingers crossed that I click up on the ramp, the car will raise, and perfectly leave the axle behind it. What do you reckon?
No, because
No.
have you,
Not ye of little faith.
did you disconnect it from the T-bar? The T-bar? Yeah, like I thought. There we go. Oh, you have. Oh, you have.
The anti-roll bars are hooked onto the spring. Don't worry.
Oh, you have disconnected it. Okay.
Yeah, I disconnected everything. Ye of little faith.
Oh, I didn't realise you were gonna.
Right, that's it. That's disconnected from everything. Yeah, there you go. I can go up. Keep going up, Dennis. Oh, what's holding on to that?
No, it's your. It's a brake hose.
A brake hose.
Yeah, look.
All
It's
right.
a bit
okay.
dark, guys, but it's a brake hose he hasn't disconnected.
Oh, I was close there. Come on.
No, you did well. Yeah.
Rear axle off. I'm going to start on the front suspension. Phil's admiring the beautiful rust.
Good shape. Look. Look at this.
Oh wow.
Look at clean.
Oh, that's brilliant.
Jacob's, the cream of cream crackers.
Look, no rust. Usually, they rust all around here, and this part here always rust.
On both sides are really nice.
Especially on GTs, but you know, surface rust, but it's nothing. Absolutely nothing. Jesus, it's like a 40-year-old car.
That is amazing.
Looks good, William. Look at this. Even that's repair.
Yeah, but the repairs, when they've done repairs, they've been done well, so they're not rusting again, you know?
No, but it's small though. I mean,
Yeah.
again, yeah.
Been looked after. Well, as we know the story of this car, someone started a restoration and then disappeared. Disappeared on it halfway through, so obviously whoever was doing the work was doing good work. And it got a bit too expensive.
Around here is a bit dodgy, but
Ah, I feel it.
we'll get to it.
Nice. And so far,
William, I think you've got a good guy.
I think I do as well. Phil, it's not as bad as the silver.
No.
Talk me through what you reckon before we stop for lunch.
Yeah, I'm not too disappointed. I mean, I was expecting middle seal, outer seal. Unfortunately,
So the drain hose
the inner
broken?
seal, that's a drain. Yeah, this is what helps rusting.
It helps him rust
Rubs the rusting away. you know, this is all parts, this section is all parts of the middle sill. So the inner looks okay until you get to this part here. So the lower part, you can see there's a few little holes, and then there's another patch repair there. But it's all on the lower part of the inner sill. So I reckon we'll just be able to get away with just repairing that section there. And then later we'll show you the repair panels that we're going to be using to get this done.
Nice.
Yeah.
So we can save some spiders.
Hopefully we'll save this spider too.
Phil, you found some lazy patching. What's going on here?
William, we cut this out. As you can see before, there was a patch there.
Let's get some better light. There you go.
There was a patch repair, so MOT repair. But the lazy didn't even bother to cut it out. Just plonk one on top. Just leave the rust there. Leave the rust and just carry on rusting everything else.
Bloody hell, that's not good.
Don't want to do inner seals, wheel.
Hey Phil.
Still got the aluminium plate, look. Unbelievable.
It is unbelievable. It's lovely what you're doing on my car.
The cream of cream crackers.
Scraping out my spring pan, but don't you have your own car to be worrying about at the moment? and not scraping the leftover aluminium out of the bottom of my pan.
1983.
That's good, isn't it?
31 piece.
42 years, solid.
Solid. And which
this isn't.
not much I can say for mine. She's solid too. She's fine.
Deep down. What have you found, Phil? That's thick bit of filler, isn't it?
Let's hope it doesn't interfere with the replacement panel.
Oh goodness.
Let's hope it doesn't get thicker, basically.
Well, there's hope that the filler doesn't get even thicker than it already is. That's quite thick. That must be 5 mil deep in filler.
Quite a lot of filler there.
Well, there's only one thing to do, Phil, isn't there?
Get grinding.
Get grinding. That's quite deep, isn't it? Blimey. Wow. Well,
let's hope it only goes up to there, because we're going to be cutting that bit to replace.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Well, this is maybe the best Friday morning I've ever had at work. This is amazing.
We need to get this in a video.
Saving 2,600 spiders.
Yeah. All the way from Switzerland.
You've driven all the way from
All
Switzerland?
the way from Switzerland.
Wow.
See, reliable cars.
Well, it's my work, the restaurant. Yeah. I have a company for restaurant, British sports car.
You like driving it?
Yeah, it's some trouble with the steering, but I restored a lot of an Aston Martin in the past.
Yeah.
Although actually I did before winter in the restaurant. But in the past I have 265.
Okay.
It's the same.
Yeah, lots of many parts from this. Funny enough, lots of parts from these cars gone to Ferrari.
Yeah.
Sell it to Ferrari specialists.
Yeah, I love the line. But the last car from touring, before closed.
Here you go, saving spiders. This one's not getting taken to the rubbish dump. This one's getting saved.
Well, it's good. It's no need a big one.
So they're putting in a new split pin to his little seat lever so that it locks it in place and it doesn't keep throwing him forward.
fixing all kinds of spiders here.
Yeah, it doesn't matter the age. Yeah.
105 spiders. Any spider welcome.
All spiders welcome. And here's Jake.
Alright.
With the new hood and a few other bits for him.
500 lira.
500 lira.
You film me now?
Yeah, starting. Right, sorry for the noise. There's a whole warehouse of stuff going on.
They're working.
Yeah, but thank you very much for watching episode 2 of Save the Spiders. We got a decent amount of work done trying to get ready, prepping for welding, which will be in the next episode. So stick around for that. And anything you want to say about Black Beauty or the cream cracker?
I've got nothing to say at the moment.
Well, thanks for
Who can
watching.
sleep I am, that's what I'm doing.
It's been a few weeks since the last episode, but we're just going to put them out as we can. We're doing this after hours.
Been busy doing other things.
I mean, we're a working company, so sometimes things get a bit busy, but we're just going to keep cracking on as and when we can and bringing it to you guys. Then,
Like and subscribe.
you got to like and subscribe and give us a comment down below of anything that you want to see happen to the cars or any ideas you got for us along the way of this build. So, thanks. Cheers.
You know what to say. I'm in the mood at the moment.